Hi guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be informed for my new uploaded videos. This is how to install lavatory. This is a ceramic type lavatory installed over a granite countertop. Okay, I'll show you the fittings of the lavatory. The fittings will come together with the lavatory when you buy one. So the fittings involves a drain pipe, P-trap, 90-degree elbow pipe, escutcheon, angle bulb, rubber gaskets, a stainless lavatory faucet with its fixing accessories together with its flexible hose. This is the lavatory faucet with the flexible hose. First, we will now remove the protection of the waterline roughing ins, which was done during the masonry works. This is the portion will we assemble the lavatory drains and also the lavatory faucet, including the flexible hose. And then we will now put over the countertop our lavatory, right? So now we will remove first the 2 inches orange PVC pipe, which is the provision for the lavatory drains embedded into the wall. So commonly here in the Philippines, our wrapping ins of electrical plumbing are usually embedded into the walls. First, we will put the angle bulb, which was applied with some Teflon tape around its thread. The thread adjacent to the connection with the water line, so that the leaking of water will be controlled. Just apply enough force to tighten correctly the angle bulb so that it will not be wasted or broken. Right, so after that we will now connect directly the flexible hose of the lavatory faucet. We can directly connect the flexible hose without applying or without putting some Teflon tape around the threaded portion adjacent to the flexible hose, because the flexible hose comes with a built-in rubber gasket inside, so it is enough to control the water leaking. Right now we are preparing the V-trap of the drain. First, check if it has a rubber gasket inside. Usually V-trap of the fittings comes with a built-in rubber gasket inside. So insert first the lock of the V-trap. No need to final fix yet the V-trap, because we need it to be adjustable by this moment, because we still have the 90-degree elbow pipe, so we need it to be movable so that we can just easily find its exact orientation before fixing it to its final location. So don't forget first to put in the threaded lock of the elbow pipe, its rubber gaskets, and the scotch on. Do it like that. So now we will test the orientation of the pipe before it will be finally fixed. Okay, just check, just turn the pipe around until it's until you can find its exact orientation before you tighten the threads. Okay, so it's almost done. Installing lavatory with fittings at home is not that hard. It's just similar as what you can see in this video. After you see this video, I'm sure that you can do this at home in your own lavatory. So at least this gives a little help to everyone who has problems in their lavatory drains, or for those who are about to install lavatory at home. So that's it. Our work is done. This is the final installed lavatory fittings. It is nicely done. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up, and a single share will be highly appreciated. I would like to share these videos to all the people around the world, but I cannot do it alone, so I need your help. So just share it so that many people will be educated. So if you're not subscribed yet with my channel, please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be informed every time I upload new videos. Thank you and God bless.